Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to access the new free libraries that are up on my site. If you're subscribed to my newsletter, I have sent you the passwords to your inbox, and it's the same password for all three libraries to make it easier for you. And anyway, this is how you can access them from my website. You can click on the Freebie library section of my menu. If you want to go directly to the section that you're looking for, you can select it here. For this, I'm just going to click on Freebie Library and show you how to get to it from there. And here's the area where people can sign up if they don't already subscribe and have the password. Or if you already have the password, you can scroll down and just click the section that you want to go to. For this, I'm going to go to Free Planner Printables. And I'm going to enter the password. And like I said, the password is the same for all three libraries. So I know for Chrome, when I enter the password for one of the libraries, it asks me if I want to save it, and I'm going to choose to save it, and it doesn't make me enter it again for the other library since it's the same password. So right now I'm on Planner Printables, and I can go to planner stickers, and it's not going to make me enter the password again since I've already entered it once and I saved it into my browser. So now if I wanted to, I could bookmark one of these pages and come back to it, and since I've entered the password, it'll just pop right up and I won't have to enter it again. So anyway, I'm going to go back to Planner Printables and show you how to download the files. Once you're logged into the library, you'll see kind of an overview of what all you can download from this section. So it's got screenshots of the printables, and it's got like a brief description, what blog post that they were found on, and I decided to do it that way in case you might not want everything that I have to offer, so you can just pick and choose what you want to download, and you can come back to this library as many times as you want to, and you can access it really easily and download whatever as many times as you want to. So to download something, you just move your mouse over the image and you click this link right here, and it'll start downloading, and that's it. Once it's done, you can pull it up and unzip the file, and there it is. And now I can open this and I can print it, and it's on my computer. So it's just really simple, and I thought this would be a lot easier than having to just constantly, pull my emails up in your inbox to download things, or whatever. Maybe you accidentally deleted it from your computer and you accidentally deleted the email too, then you've lost the file. Now you can just come to the freebie section of my website and download it again, and it's super easy. So I hope this makes things a little bit more convenient for you guys, and just feel free to contact me if you have any questions about any of this. Thanks.